This is Jonathan Wallace doing Gen Chem 2 lab number 4, qualitative anion tests. And you can see we've got a lot of our materials out here. We have our well plate, our 3 test tubes that we're going to mainly be using. We've got all our anions and our cations. We have silver nitrate, hydrochloric acid, and our unknown. And we've got our cylinder, beaker, and a couple of extra pipettes to use. Things to take notes, scissors, and we are set and ready to go. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our first test tube. I'm going to separate these up a little bit. And we're going to take our first anion, which we have as bromide right here. And we are going to put 8 drops of it in our first test tube. So we get 8 drops here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Set that there. Alright, we have 8 drops, and what we're going to do now is add 8 drops of hydrochloric acid. This we're going to see if the appearance changes, see if there's going to be a color change, or we're going to be able to see gas coming up the tube or any precipitate forming. So we're going to pay close attention here as we do this. Make sure we try not to get any on the wall so it gets just contact with the liquid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I see some reactions taking place, but they are colorless. Not much of a smell, and I don't see any precipitate, but I believe a little bit of a gas reaction took place in test tube number 1 with bromide. Alright, so test tube number 2. Well, the first one, I want to take notes. Alright, so our test tube number 2, we're going to use bromide once again. So we're going to put 8 drops in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And now we are going to use silver nitrate. I'm going to put 3 drops of silver nitrate in there. And again, we're going to observe any different reactions or color change, or if it forms any precipitate or anything. So here's 1, 2, and 3, and right away we get a color change. It turns almost to a milky color, and there is precipitate within, and it is not going away. So we're going to view that. I'm going to make a note of it real quick. Let's see if it has any odor. Not really any that I can tell of any significance. Alright, so I wrote down my observations there. And once I'm off the video, I'm going to write a net ionic equation for it. And now I am going to acidify the bromide. And we're going to see if it clears up. I'm going to acidify it with some nitric acid. And I'm only going to take a few drops, and we'll see what happens. So a few drops of nitric acid. And I really don't see much of any change. It may have added a little bit of precipitate in it. so the precipitate does not dissolve. It almost like it helps it solidify a little bit. And from there, I want to kind of do the same set of tests. I want to do some more tests and test tube number 3, and then I want to repeat all of this with all my other anions, and continue to make observations and record my data.